Science Radar channel. In this channel, we explore the life cycle of various things. Now, I am exploring the life cycle of Krebs cycle. Krebs cycles is divided into 8 steps. The first step is in which acetyl coenzyme A, which is 2 carbon molecule, joins with oxaloacetate 4 carbon molecule to form citrate, which is 6 carbon molecule. In the second step, citrate is converted into isocitrate ion, an isomer of citrate. The third step involves the oxidation of isocitrate to alpha-ketoglutarate, a 5 carbon molecule, which results in the release of carbon dioxide. In the fourth step, alpha-ketoglutarate is oxidized to form a 4 carbon molecule. This binds to coenzyme A, forming succinyl coenzyme A. A second molecule of NADH is produced alongside a second molecule of carbon dioxide. In the step 5, Succinyl coenzyme A is then converted to succinate 4 carbon molecule and 1 GTP molecule is produced. The sixth step involves the conversion of succinate into fumarate, which is 4 carbon molecule, and a molecule of FADH₂ is produced. In the step 7, fumarate is converted to malate, which is 4 carbon molecule. In the step 8, malate is then converted into oxaloacetate, the third of NADH also produced.